To start with, I'm going to go with the Rainbow Voon Palace. And as I open this up... Oh, I love those colours. That will be really good for some dragons. Let's load it up and test it out. And we've got our first layer going down. We'll come back in, well, 7 hours and see what comes out. It's done. Let's pop it off the build plan and get a closer look. And here we go. We have our crystal dragon in the Voon Palace rainbow silk. And overall, that turned out fantastic. Some very, very faint stringing, but overall, an absolutely perfect print. Came out really well. Thank you again to 3D Central for sending me this filament. Overall, a very successful print.